We live in a time of incredible technological progress, but the one part of our lives that hasn't really changed at all is how we access healthcare. Healthcare today is completely reactive and no one really holds the whole picture of you. If you look at the numbers, it's actually quite clear. 6 out of 10 people live with a chronic condition, healthcare costs are rising, and we're getting sicker than ever. But what if we flip that model? So rather than taking action when people become sick, we can intervene early and keep them healthy for as long as possible. Instead of just treating symptoms, we can find and fix the root cause. And instead of applying one-size-fits-all protocols, we can look at every individual holistically and uniquely. I'm Mike Christodoulou, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kyma Health. The good news is that the biggest drivers of chronic disease are modifiable. Most people don't know that conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and many autoimmune disorders are largely reversible if we detect them early and act precisely on the underlying biology. We believe a different healthcare system should exist, one that spots problems a year before they become serious illness, so there's time to correct course and prevent disease instead of just living with them forever. At Kyma, we make this possible by combining comprehensive lab testing to understand your biology, truly personalized health insights and protocols to guide your next steps, and a team of experts by your side to support you every step of the way. When you become a Kyma member, your journey starts with a very comprehensive checkup at one of our partner clinics. We're currently available in 50 locations across the UK and Greece. The date for your appointment, you just show up to the clinic and one of our nurses will welcome you. In this short 10-minute visit, you will be taken in a room to take your body measurements, and then one of our nurses will perform a blood draw and also collect an urine sample. At Kyma, we run over 90 lab tests across 12 core areas of your body, far beyond the standard checkup of 19 biomarkers. We will look at your inflammation levels, your metabolic health, how your thyroid functions, your hormones, critical nutrient deficiencies, your heart health, and many more things to get the most complete picture of your health that you ever had. Through our platform, you'll be able to see all of your results clearly, with easy explanations on where we need to focus most. Then comes the most important part, turning this data into action. You will receive a personalized plan with clear, step-by-step guidance on the exact actions you need to take next. We don't believe in just sending people home with a lot of information and data that they cannot interpret, or leaving them to piece it all together themselves by visiting several different specialists. We connect the dots. Thousands of data points distilled into one simple, personalized protocol designed for you. Nutrition, targeted supplementation, sleep, movement, and other lifestyle factors. The final part of the puzzle is making it as easy as possible for you to take action and support you throughout the entire journey. You will have a dedicated health coach from day one and continuous support from our clinical team. Our protocols are based on decades of clinical work from some of the leading doctors in personalized medicine and metabolic health, including Dr. Dimitris Tsoukalas, who has helped over 30,000 patients over the last few decades with chronic and autoimmune diseases. Our scientific team has authored more than 80+ publications in some of the leading journals worldwide. And we are making this level of cutting-edge science accessible to everyone at a fraction of a cost compared to a high-end clinic. With the kind of technologies that we're using at Kyma, where we can collect and understand thousands of data points from your biology, combined with the incredible advancements in clinical science and AI, we believe that we're standing at an inflection point in human health, a moment where we can finally move away from managing disease to preventing it entirely and keeping people healthy. And that's why we're in this journey with Kyma Health.